There's certainly collaboration throughout this whole process, right? You're working with, Passport to provide a set of solutions, Clever City amongst other vendors. But when it comes to optimizing, I think really having that collaboration and coming together to, solve these problems with solutions that you can implement that are scalable is crucial. So tell me a little bit about the culture you're looking for when it comes to, working with just different vendors throughout the entire parking space when you're approaching your roadmap.
I think knowing where you're going is important. And then choosing the partners that are willing to engage you and build that culture with you. So now I use the word culture because you have to know where you're going so you can make the right decisions at the right time.
I also think it's important for us to tell a Tobii or any other city to be honest about what we cannot do.
100%.
Because there's a lot of great things that Clever City can do, but there are specific things that we cannot do. And those areas that Clever City cannot fulfill a perceived need or desire, there could be another company that we can pull in to join this team.
And I think that's that foundation for me. And I'm like, let's engage, let's ideate, let's innovate together, and let's figure a way to go there if you're willing to do that. And then we're building a culture of really excellence and partnership. I think that's really important.
There's a lot of different aspects when it comes to managing the roadmap for Bend, when it comes to curb management, but also for vendors, right? What is our roadmap from a product perspective, and how are we incorporating all these different inputs, from our clients, creating the best possible solution. But Passport's working closely with Clever City to really collaborating to bring this technology to life from a platform perspective, right? Really incorporating as much of this data and the user interface to interact with this data into a single back office. So that way cities like Bend and Tobii can seamlessly manage their operation as much as possible, right? And there's going to be certainly phases to these types of implementations and optimizing the data that's coming from these projects. But we're certainly very excited to have a seat at the table and collaborate with Tobii and Andrew with your team when it comes to really defining your goals in the city of Bend for curb management.